Hello, my name is Randy Ripke. I'm the developer of TASbiller Cloud. The following video will help explain features of the program. If you have any questions, please feel free to email or call. I hope you enjoy your use of TASbiller Cloud. This is Randy Ripke, the developer of TASbiller Cloud. During this video, we'll discuss the use of print mail companies for mailing our invoices for us. You can certainly print invoices in-house and mail them using TASbiller Cloud. Many of us use print mail services to do that for us. The print mail companies will accept an invoice file from us, print the invoices professionally on colored paper if you like, that's perforated, print our terms and conditions on the reverse side, mail it with a return envelope included, all for about $1 on average. So it's very cost effective and very easy to use. Especially on TASbiller Cloud, it's a one-button process. To set up for print mail companies, you'd go into File Maintenance and choose Company Setup, Print and Mail Invoicing. Choose your print and mail company. We're currently supporting 3 different ones. We're supporting BillMyWay, Online Statements, and Mail Extreme. Each of these companies will have their own set of credentials, usually an account number and some sort of a login and password. You would enter those fields as illustrated. You would choose the template that would be used for the print and mail company. And you may want a different one for your print and mail company versus the invoices that go out to your email clients. The print and mail company template would have typically a reply to address, whereas the normal invoice templates might not have that in the same location. So also the layout of the invoice is very important for the print mail companies. The location of the address on the invoice must be precisely at the right location. It takes a little more setup, and I'll be happy to help you with that, and I'll send out some templates that show the locations and the header where the return address, the to address, and the remit to address need to appear on your invoice headers. You can also attach your own terms and conditions, which would appear on the reverse of the invoice. And this will get sent out to the print mail company automatically. The print mail company has very little setup to do. They're just going to find out from you what color paper you want and if you want the perforation and the return envelope. We're going to be sending them the invoice ready to be printed along with terms and conditions for the back of the invoice if you choose to do so. If you don't want to include your terms and conditions, simply blank this out. To use the print mail company service during invoice distribution of your billing period, you would simply click on the print and mail company's button. TASbiller Cloud will find the clients that need to be mailed, in which case I have 2 set up, accounts 4125 and 5203, and it's saying it's been successfully sent to the print and mail company. Now I just noticed an email came in. I can check my email, and here's my notification from BillMyWay saying that my file has been uploaded successfully. I can also look in the document storage area of TASbiller Cloud, and in the print mail service upload folder, this is the file I just created today that has the 2 PDFs. I can download this zip file to my own computer if I like, and I can open this to see which invoices were included. In this case, it's the 4125 and 5203 accounts that were listed when I did my original distribution. So just as simple as that, one button click with TASbiller Cloud, and I have sent my print and mail company files to the print mail company for mailing. Additionally, I can also go to the website for transferanything.com, which is BillMyWay's online tool for manually uploading invoice files, and check the upload history and confirm that my zip file I sent today did in fact upload. That concludes today's video. Thank you.